I'm Mike Olson, Chief Executive Officer at Cloudera. Cloudera has been in business for coming up on 3 years now, and over that period we've worked with enterprises around the world to deploy, operate, and administer Hadoop clusters in production on mission-critical workloads. I'm excited to make 2 new product announcements. First, Cloudera is unveiling version 3.5 of Cloudera Enterprise, our flagship offering for deployment, monitoring, and management of Apache Hadoop in the enterprise. Cloudera Enterprise 3.5 is a major advance on previous releases and includes some powerful new features for running Hadoop in production. We've unveiled what we call the Service and Configuration Manager. This is an interface that allows you to operate a cluster, start, stop, and interrogate individual services, and to operate the cluster at a very high level from an easy-to-use dashboard graphical user interface. In addition to the Service and Configuration Manager, Cloudera Enterprise 3.5 includes the Activity Monitor. This is a tool that lets administrators understand in great detail what's happening on their cluster, what jobs are running, how do they compare to earlier runs of those jobs, where may there be bottlenecks, how can we drill in detail to identify the cause for those bottlenecks and to remedy them. Together, SCM and the Activity Monitor are the best tools for operating a Hadoop cluster over its lifecycle. Of major importance to our enterprise clients, Cloudera is very proud to announce the availability of one-click security in Cloudera Enterprise. The individual components of the Hadoop ecosystem have had different security models added by different people at different times over the past several years. We've done the very hard work to integrate those security models into a single, consistent security system. One-click security allows administrators to enforce security policies across the entire Hadoop stack from a single dashboard consistently. Users can be added or removed from access to the clusters. Groups or individuals can be granted new access, or those access rights can be revoked. It's a very simple, very powerful way to guarantee privacy and security on your cluster. We offer Cloudera Enterprise to our customers on an annual subscription basis. Our customers pay us an annual fee. They get the powerful tools for configuring, monitoring, managing, and administering a Hadoop cluster across its lifecycle. They also get access to our knowledge base and our detailed operations guides on setting up and running Hadoop clusters at scale. And finally, our customers have access to our 24/7 email, telephone, and even on-site support services. We're able to help you identify, triage, and fix problems in your clusters and live up to the service level agreements that you've signed with your business users. Starting Hadoop clusters does require some expertise, and that's why we have released SCM Express, our free tool for starting clusters and configuring them, at no charge. We believe that more consumption of Hadoop and easier to deploy platform is going to grow the market overall for us and for everyone else in the Hadoop ecosystem by making it much easier to get, start, and experiment with Hadoop. SCM Express is a simple tool for starting and running a Hadoop cluster. We've created a very easy-to-use graphical user interface that allows you to configure and start HDFS, MapReduce, HBase, and related services on your clusters without logging into, interacting with, dealing with each of the servers individually. This package makes it very, very easy to go from 0 to running Hadoop cluster in just 10 minutes. This new product, SCM Express, is based on the work that we did in the Service and Configuration Manager for Cloudera Enterprise. Cloudera's distribution, including Apache Hadoop, CDH, is freely available for download from our website and is a 100% pure Apache software licensed software package. Our data management platform, CDH, benefits from the innovative work of that entire global community, and we are proud to be members of it. By making Hadoop more consumable with the delivery of CDH, of SCM Express, and by making clusters more manageable over their lifecycle with Cloudera Enterprise, we believe that we're unlocking that power, unleashing the value of Hadoop to the market at large. Cloudera Enterprise was designed from the ground up to manage Hadoop deployments over their entire lifecycle, from initial deployment to growth and contraction over time as data demands change, all the way to the capability to sunset and retire individual nodes from the clusters as new ones come in. Easy to get, easy to install, easy to configure, easy to start, and then easy to run. You can manage your cluster over its entire life cycle from conception to sunset, scaling up, scaling down as your data demands require. Cloudera Enterprise is the tool that allows large enterprise users to deploy, manage, and operate Hadoop clusters with confidence. CDH and SCM Express make it possible for anyone at all to get and use this great new software platform. Cloudera Enterprise simply is the best way to run clusters at scale in production. CDH simply is the best tested and most widely adopted enterprise Hadoop platform on the market.